Hi, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You really like my videos. God bless you. In this video, I'm going to apply for a child passport for the UK. The child who born in the UK, so you can get the passport straight away. You no need to apply for the nationality. So let's go to that website. So if you want to read that information, you can. You need digital photo, supporting documents, set credit card. You have to pay the fees. Start now. Do you live in the UK? Yes. Continue. So you're gonna tell the date of birth. If you're applying on the behalf of an adult or child, answer this question with their details rather than your own. So you're not gonna put your details. So you're gonna put your child details. The next, have you had a UK passport before? No. Do you need a passport urgently? Yeah, so just read it what way you want to do it. So I'm going to use my this one, and this will deliver in 3 weeks, they are saying it. Hope so. So get a digital passport photo, provide application details, find out what document you need to send, pay your passport. Yeah, so we're going to continue. So how to get a digital passport photo? So they just read the information. I go to the snappy any shop, they give you the code. You can put that code or you can upload the photo as well. So I have a code to enter. If you want to upload the document, you can. So I'm going to put the code over here. So because I just put the code and they just upload from here. So they're very good. So you want to submit it? Yes. Continue. No. Do you have a naturalizations or register certificate? We no need it because this is the child. Sorry, no, in my case. So continue. So this, they're asking for these details. Just ready and continue. So you're gonna put your details for your child. So have you ever use any other name? Continue. Gender, male. Were you born in the UK? Yes. Town, it was. Continue. So we need to ask for parents details. So continue. So mother, parent one, you just put the mother, then the father, the man and the super. Yeah. So did either parents have a certain status? No, in my case. Mother or parent, town of birth, so nationality. Yeah. Then you have to put your home address details after that. So after that, you have to put your email, phone number. Update. They're asking for choose the size of your new passport. They want 34 pages. I don't want to pay more money. Do you need a bear lie sticker? Hope I pronounce right. No, I don't need it. So I am father. I put it here. They want to put me again. Are you named on the child's birth or the adoption? Yeah, did. So just you check your details now. So you make the fees, then you have to do this one to confirm your identity. So who can do this one? They explain everything over here. Just read it and follow the instruction. So you have to put that person details. They will email them. Then they will email you, I think, to send you the document as well. So let's see. I will keep you update. So I wish you good luck for the application. God bless you.